Let's make some pork and shrimp fried rice. So we have some ground pork, 4 prawns, preferably deveined because nobody wants to eat shrimp. 3 eggs, half a white onion, some bok choy, oyster sauce, rice vinegar, and chili paste. But not just any chili paste. This is a chili paste with soybean oil from Thailand. The brand is Pantai norasingh and it's freaking delicious. Anybody who likes a sweet, tangy, spicy, and umami-rich condiment should be looking for this. Leave a little bit of extra skin for easy peeling, and dice up your onion. And it turned into a bok choy. Always wash the nooks and crannies. Chop off the leaves. Roll them up. Slice them lengthwise. Then across. Stack. Slice. Slice some more. Replace the cutting board. Peel and slice up your shrimp. Realize that there's still some poop in there. Remember to turn on your hood before you turn on your gas range. About 2 tablespoons of oil. Roll it around. Put in your pork. Don't touch it for a few minutes to let it caramelize, and then toss. Toss in your white onions. Cook until they're a little translucent. Then add in the prawns. Leave them there for a couple minutes and then toss. The shrimp should be just starting to turn white at this point. Add in 2 tablespoons of this chili paste. Mix, mix, mix. Then the oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons roughly, or to taste. Stir it so it's all evenly distributed. I wish you could smell this right now. I could eat this on its own. Toss in your veggies. Mix, mix, mix. Push everything to the side, add some oil, and then 3 eggs. Add a pinch of salt, and then scramble until the egg is about 80% cooked. Realize you have forgotten the rice vinegar. And then mix everything together nicely. Oh look, a shrimp got away. Use some overnight rice if you have some, but I didn't, so this is coming straight out of the rice cooker. 2 cups of rice. Add a couple generous pinches of kosher salt and mix. Little taste test. Give yourself a thumbs up. And serve. What are you cooking for dinner tonight? Have you ever tried this Pantai norasingh chili paste before? Let me know in the comments below whether you like more of these videos. And until next time, thank you for cooking with me today, and enjoy!